National salute! Present! Act!
Open up.
National salute! Present! Arms!
Inform you that there are a total of 115 direct short service commission course 29 officer cadets and 149 special duty pre-commissioning training course 24 officer cadets on parade today, formed up in 2 guards and 8 an abridged version of the reviewing officer's curriculum criteria. Member of the Order of the Niger, was born on the 12th of February in the year 1962 and he hails from Maradu local government area of Zamfara State. He attended Township Primary School, Maradu, from 1974 to 1980 and was thereafter admitted into the Vocational Training Center, Bunza, where he obtained his senior school living certificate in the year 1985. In the course of his academic career, his analysis from the Institute of Peace and Conflict Analysis in the year 2007, Dr. Bello Matawali held the various appointments to the course to Honorable Commissioners of our State, Ministries and Privileges from the year 2003-2007, Deputy Minority Whip, House of Representatives from 2007 to 2011, Chairman House Committee on National Security, Intelligence and Public Safety from 2011-2015, member of the Presidential Committee on Dialogue and Peaceful Resolution of Security Challenges in the North from 2013-2015, Executive Governor of Zamfara State from the year 2019 to 2023, Minister of State for Defense of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Assembly in New York in the year 2009. Dental Technology from Nigerian Army College of Medical Sciences, Ojo, Lagos State. He was born on the 30th of November in the year 1996. Cadets hails from Gombe State. Number 1 guard is commanded by Cadet Ogala Emeka Emmanuel. He holds a bachelor's and the color party are following closely as well. The number 2 guard. And the number 2 division commanded by Cadet Ope Ramon Akalamo and some guard commanders.
With deep sense of gratitude to Almighty God that I warmly welcome you all to the passing out parade of cadets from the Direct Short Service Course 29 and the Special Duty Pre-Commission Training 2024 here at the Nigerian Naval College, Ibubu. Today is a proud moment for the college, for the Nigerian Navy, and especially for the 264 cadets who will soon be commissioned as officers of the Nigerian Navy. This college continues to distinguish itself as a premier naval training institution, not only in Nigeria but across the sub-region. As you all know, our nation contends with diverse security threats such as insurgency, banditry, kidnapping, and maritime crime. In response, the Nigerian Navy remains fully deployed in key theater, supporting national security and safeguarding our waters. Through our efforts in the maritime domain, especially in Niger Delta, we have seen a positive impact, including an increase in crude oil production, which now exceeds 1.7 million barrels per day. That is no small feat. The Navy is also taking bold steps to modernize and expand. These include establishment of new commands and units like a Special Operation Command and the Nigerian Navy Marine, new bases like NSS Madueke and Naval Base Ipe have come online, alongside forward operating units and schools across the country. The relocation of a key institutions such as the Naval Training Command and its Naval College are signs of real progress, guided by sound leadership and a commitment to excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, the Navy fleet is also growing new ships, helicopters, boats, and UAVs have been inducted, and 2 seaward defense boats are currently being built right here in Nigeria under the Navy. We are also investing in manpower through training and improved welfare on international cooperation exercises like Obangami Express, Grand African Memo, and Flintlock, alongside strategic memoranda of understanding, including one recently signed with the African Union for strategic sea lift, underscore our richness and relevance. These efforts are not just about ships or infrastructures. They are about building a Navy that can shape security outcomes for the good of our nation. To our passing out cadet, this is your day, and I say congratulations to all of you. You have completed a demanding journey. You have proven your strength, your resilience, and your determination. But let me be clear, this is just the beginning. As you are commissioned today, greater responsibility awaits you. You must remain disciplined. You must be loyal. You must be bold, fast, and you hold fast to the Navy's core values and professionalism, teamwork, and integrity. These are not just words. They are the foundation of trust and leadership. Avoid distraction, avoid misconduct. Let your action reflect the training and values you have received from this college. Let me reassure you that the President and the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, His Excellency Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, remain committed to supporting the armed forces with the tools, resources, and policies needed to secure our nation. As officers, your loyalty to the Constitution and to the law authority must be unwavering. I commend the Chief of the Naval Staff, Vice Admiral Emmanuel Ogala, for his vision and leadership. I also acknowledge the effort of the Flag Officers Commanding Naval Training Command, the Commandant and the staff of the college for the quality of training delivered here. Your work is evident in the performance of this cadet today. Let me also extend my appreciation to the sole administrator, the government and good people of Ibas State, the royal fathers, and all other citizens of Ibas State for their support to the college and Navy at large. To the Chief of Defense Staff and other service chiefs, law enforcement agencies, traditional rulers, captain of industry, and all invited guests, thank you for standing with the Nigerian Navy. To the families of our cadets, your sacrifices made this day possible. We thank you and God bless all of you. As we celebrate this important milestone, I wish you all journey mercy to our various destination. Thank you for your kind attention.
Commission Training Cadets in order of merit. Duty Pre-Commission Training Cadets in order of merit. May you please give him a... May I also add that the overall best cadet will be awarded with a Sword of Honor, which is an age-old practice in the Nigerian Naval College. It is my pleasure to also inform our distinguished guests that the Chief...